So I will continue this discussion of Miss Aubrey Pacheco. Next, let's move on to the center jump circle. The center jump circle is where the game action starts and has radius of 6 feet. All players other than the two jumpers must stand outside the circle until the ball is tipped. The center jump circle is not used at any other point in the game other than the opening tip, and if a tip is needed to start an overtime period. Two jump circles located at the free throw line are used in the NBA for held ball situation. So, ang center jump circle daw ay dito po yung nagsisimula na yung basketball game. Dito rin tinatawag yung jump ball na tinatawag. Kapag sino po yung nakatama sa bola, palihis ang bola, ay yun po yung mano. Ayan po. Ito yung center circle, 2 foot radius inside circle at 6 foot radius to outside of circle. Tapos, yung mga player po is nakaabang na po sila. Kapag naganap na yung center jump circle. The next one is division line. The division line is a line running the width of the midcourt that divides it into two equal sections. In high school and college, a team has 10 seconds to get the ball across the division line, also known as the half-court line. In the NBA, the time required is 8 seconds. Ayan, ito yung tinatawag na half-court line. May division po siya. The next one is basket. Siyempre po, sa basketball ay may basket. The basket, one of each end of the floor is made of a backboard and the ring that holds a net, which is designed to check the ball as it passes through the basket. The standard basketball backboard is 72 inches wide and is positioned 4 feet inside the baseline. The hoop or ring stands 10 feet off the floor and is 18 inches in diameter. So, ang basket po ay para po malaman natin kung na-shoot po ba yung bola o hindi. Ayan. Yan yung po yung kagamitan ng basket. The next one is ball. Siyempre, sa basketball may bola. Kailangan ng bola. The official size of basketball used by the NBA or National Basketball Association is 29.5 inches in circumference. Yung ginagamit daw po sa NBA is ang kalakihan ng bola is 29.5 inches. That the same size used throughout men's college and high school basketball leagues. Karaniwang ginagamit sa high school and colleges. At paliga po sa mga barangay. Sa mga laro na napapanood po natin. And sa WNBA naman po is use a slightly smaller ball measuring 28.5 inches in circumference. Sa World National Volleyball Association naman po is ginagamit nila is 28.5 inches yung bola. So, the next one is backboard. A backboard is a piece of basketball equipment. Nakikita po natin na yari po ito sa karamihan po yun is yari po siya sa plywood. It is a raised vertical board with a attached basket consisting of a net suspended from a hook. It is made of flat rigid pieces of often plexiglass or tempered glass, which also has the properties of safety glass when accidentally shattered. Sa mga iba po is yari po siya sa plexiglass. Ang kagamitan naman po ng backboard is kapag sinushoot po natin yung bola is nahaharang po siya at kapag na-isentro po natin dito sa backboard ay malaking tsansa po na ma-shoot natin yung bola sa ring. And the last one is scoreboard. So, scoreboard naman is kadalasan natin nakikita yung dito natin nakikita yung mga score ng bawat team. Ayan. Kung ano na po ba yung score nila, kung sino na po yung nanalo. Usually po nakikita natin sa taas na playing area or sa court. A large board that displays the score in game or contest. Ayan. A similar board that also displays each batsman's score and many statistics and pieces of information. Yan, para makita natin yung information ng bawat team o sa basketball kung sino na po yung lamang or natatalo. So, yun lamang po and thank you.